Hi guys, Lester here, and we're here to unbox and review this Vegeta an SH Fig Arts from Bandai. This one is the Super Saiyan God uh, Vegeta, the one with the blue hair. So this one, as you can see, uh, this is a fully articulated action figure. So now let's open the box. Again, there you can see at the side, there's an instruction how to change his arms and his hair, his head. You can see it there. So now let's take out Vegeta. He is protected by a plastic top there. And there's his hands, his different head there. So you can change his head. Not only his face, but yeah, his face with the hair. So, and also his arms if you want to put him in a pose like that with the cross arms. So let's open, let's take him out there. So there's Vegeta. He is fully articulated, just like the other figures. His torso, you can turn his torso from side to side, his head from side to side, and also front and back. And you can turn him like that. And also, you can put up his shoulders, can bend his elbows, turn his wrist, and also his legs, and his knees, and his foot, his ankles. There. So there's a lot of pose that you can do with him, just like the other figures. And also you can change his face, the one with the shouting, or his smirking, or this one just smiling, and put his cross arm like that. So then also you can put his, his hands, you can change it if you want to pretend like he is doing the final flash, his power. So yeah, the figure is really good, just like Goku and the other figure of SH Figuarts. This one is good. There's nothing loose or broken. Uh, there, you can see it's really a good figure. So there you go. That's Super Saiyan Vegeta, the Super Saiyan God Vegeta, and this is the blue hair, blue eyebrows. So there. If you're following the Dragon Ball series, you will know this Vegeta. Just like me and my son, we're following the Dragon Ball series. So there you go. There's Super Saiyan God Vegeta. Thank you for watching. Bye.